Just finished up the metal work on these flatbeds here. I built two for the King Hauler chassis with day cab modification. One of them, I believe, is spoken for. I hope, anyway. That's the main reason why I built these. But yeah, so I'll have one of those available. I'll probably have them powder coated black. I'm not sure if I'm going to take them in tomorrow or if I'm going to wait until I have some dump beds ready to go. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. And then this one here is for a Grand Hauler chassis with day cab. These are a clamp on. The cross members are machined underneath to slip over top of the frame rails, and then just use a little crossbar that I machine that bolts up underneath and just pinches it to the rails. Super easy install. Just takes a couple minutes to get them on there. I have to machine some bezels for the tail lights yet. I just got lenses a couple days ago. They got held up. I was supposed to have them last week, but actually the week before last, sorry. And UPS kind of screwed things around. So anyways, but they're here now finally, so it's good. So yeah, we'll get the bezels done probably while they're at powder coat. I need to make some for some other bumpers anyways. So I'll do that. And they will be ready to go. Yeah, cedar deck boards, which I cut from wood on the property here. So there's lots of time in these things, even when it goes together quickly, there's still lots of time. I cut all these boards months ago. The last time I built these, actually it was over a year ago. So I had them all on the shelf, I just had to fit them. So I did that this morning. But yeah, lots of effort goes into these things. I will stain all these boards. So they'll be a really nice bright red, like I do with all the stuff. Should look like jewelry when they're done. That's the plan anyway. They got little D-rings on them, as you can see. So yeah, nice little beds. I sell these for $425 US for the King Hauler and $450 for the Grand Hauler. So yeah, if you're interested, let me know. I could do these. I can probably get them done black, but if somebody wants a different color, there are other options, obviously. So just if you're interested, let me know. Thanks for watching.